Today in math, we're going to begin learning about 2D shapes. So let's go over our DLO, and then I'll show you some posters. We'll go over the different shape names and their attributes. All right. Today I will identify flat shapes. Now it's your turn. Today I will identify flat shapes. Identify means when you see the shape, you'll be able to tell me what the name is, and then you'll be able to tell me the name of it because you'll understand the different characteristics or the attributes about it that give it that name. And flat shapes. Another name for flat shapes are 2D, two-dimensional. And it means it's flat. You can't hold it. A 3D shape you can hold, and we'll learn about 3D shapes later. But for now, we're going to learn about 2D shapes. They're also called flat shapes. So let's go over the names, and then we'll go over some of the attributes, the characteristics. So the first shape I want to show you is a circle. And a lot of you already know your shapes, so we're just going to talk about what makes these shapes special. So a circle is one continuous line that goes around and around. It has no sides and no vertices. So a side is where it's straight, and a vertice is where the lines come to a point. But a circle has no straight sides and no vertices. Do you know what shape this is? It's a square. A square has 4 sides and 4 vertices. A square is special because all of the sides are the same size. So it has 4 equal sides. So those are the sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4 vertices. Those are the points right in the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next one is a triangle. When you see the word triangle, tri means 3. So maybe you've seen a tricycle. A tricycle has 3 wheels. Maybe you've heard of a dinosaur called a triceratops. Tri means 3. It has 3 horns. So it has 3 sides, 1, 2, 3, and 3 vertices. The vertices are the corners where the sides meet and make a point. So here's 1 vertice, 2 vertices, 3 vertices. This is a triangle. Tri means 3. Do you know what the name of this shape is called? Rectangle. It has 4 sides and 4 vertices. Now the 4 sides, this is what makes a rectangle special. It has 2 short sides, 2 long sides. So it looks like a squished square. If we took a square and squished it, then it would have 2 short sides, 2 long sides. It also has 4 vertices. The vertices are the corners where the sides make a point. So here's 1 vertice, 2 vertice, 3 vertice, 4 vertice. The last flat shapes that we're going to learn is called a hexagon. Just like a triangle, tri means 3. But here, hex means 6. Hex means 6. And an easy way to help remember that a hexagon has 6 sides is the word 6, or the number 6, I mean. So the number 6, when you write it as a word, S-I-X, it has an X in it. Hexagon has an X in it. So that's how I remember that a hexagon has 6 sides, because the word 6 has an X, and hexagon has, an X. Now, since a hexagon, hex means 6, guess how many sides it has? 6. It has 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. and it has 6 vertices. The vertices are the sides when they come to a corner, a point. 6 vertices or 6 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are other flat shapes like ovals and trapezoids and rhombuses, but we're not going to be focusing on those shapes. We're only going to focus on these 5 shapes. So let me erase the word 6. Let's go over the names again. Say circle, square, triangle, rectangle, hexagon. What can you tell me about a square? You could say it has 4 equal sides. What could you tell me about a rectangle? You could say it has 2 short sides, 2 long sides. How about triangle? What does tri mean? What does tri mean? Tri means 3. So how many sides does it have? 3. 1, 2, 3. What about a hexagon? What can you tell me about a hexagon? Hex means 6. So how many sides and vertices does it have? 6. Do you see any shapes here that have any curves in them? A curve would be a line that is not straight. We have one shape that has curves, a circle. It is one continuous curve. No vertices and no straight sides. Can you think of objects that are the same shape as these? If I show you my phone, this face of my phone, what shape does it look like? Does it look like a circle? No. How about a square? It has 4 sides, but it's not the same. A square has 4 equal sides. How about a triangle? No. How about a rectangle? Yes, my phone is a rectangle because it has 2 short sides, 2 long sides. How about my sticky pad? Look at my sticky pad. It has 4 equal sides. Which shape is it? Is it a rectangle? A rectangle has 4 sides. No, because a rectangle has 2 short sides, 2 long sides. My sticky pad is a square because it has 4 equal sides. How about my plate from lunch? What shape is my plate? It's a circle because it has no vertices and no straight sides. It's one continuous curve. So this week and next week we'll be learning about the different shapes, and we'll be going on some shape hunts looking for these shapes around your house, around your room, around our classroom. So keep an eye out for some of these shapes. So before we go, I want you to name the shapes for me. Say circle, square, triangle, rectangle, hexagon. You do not have a worksheet for today. You'll have one for tomorrow. All right, that's it for today.